Hey guys, welcome back to brightnighttech. My name is Berto and today is going to be a quick video on how I made my retrobrighting box. You guys saw it in the Game Boy Restortion video, but I didn't show how I made it, so I'm just going to do a quick little show and tell on how that happened here. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And again, like everything and all these projects that I've started, I made a lot of mistakes. So let's take a look. And if you haven't seen my Game Boy Restoration video yet, go ahead and click up there to get it. It was a lot of fun and you guys can see the finished product. But for now, let's get into it. Let me show you how I made it. Alright, so first thing you're gonna need is a vessel or a cardboard box. Any size you like, try to go big so you have plenty of room for it. Next thing you're gonna need is some reflective tape. I picked this up from Amazon at a really low price. It's the type of tape they use on HVAC systems, but it's reflective, it has an adhesive, it's great. I also bought, for a very low price, these UV LED lights. It's supposed to be 13 point something feet, but it came in 2 spools instead of 1, but I will make it work. Alright, so the idea is to take that reflective tape and cover all the inside of it. And then after that, we're going to put the LED lights. So you want to cut them into strips like this. Like I said, it has an adhesive backing, so you just take that backing off and then stick it on your box. Do not do it the way that I was going to do it in the beginning, which was peel the tape off like this, and then without cutting it, still having it be a giant roll, try to cover the inside. And that was dumb. As you can see here, I'm trying to turn it, but there's not much room to move around. And then I was going to go all the way down, but then I had to cut it and it looks absolutely horrid. Don't do it this way. Cut them into strips, kind of measure them out and stick the inside. So this looks way better after I started cutting them into strips. And then here it is all done. And I already used 1 full strip of LED lights. So you want to get enough of them. I only had 13 feet. I already used a whole spool because I was doing very tight spaces here. And then for the next spool, I had to really spread it out to make it work. So make sure you have enough lights. So here it is, all done. It looks all right. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. So I have this square right here that conveniently has 2 plugins. And we're going to go ahead and turn it on, see if it works, and yes, it does. So it looks beautiful, easy peasy, and yeah, so this is basically what it looks like. It's really easy. If you don't like the way I did it, I hope this at least gives you some idea on how to do it. Here's a sneak peek at the Game Boy refurb video where I do the retrobrighting. So the Game Boy is in the liquid. I go ahead and turn it on, but because of course I made a lot of mistakes, the box is too small, the vessel is too small for the Game Boy, and the vessel is too big for the box. I had to take some aluminum foil and make a door basically and seal it in. Make sure the shiny part is going in. So make sure you pick a box that's big enough and that you have plenty of lights. So yeah, I think what I feel like I should have done is maybe used a larger box and maybe bought more LED lights. But if you want to see how well it worked, again, go check out my Game Boy Restoration video where you can see if it worked or not. Maybe it didn't. Maybe it did. It did. But if you guys have made your own, let me know in the comments how you made it. And if you have any suggestions, and again, be, chill. It was my first time making one of these. Just chill out. I'm gonna make mistakes. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.